the last slide, I taught you an easy method of doing a subtraction operation on algebraic expressions. In this session, I will be teaching you the second method of how to perform a subtraction operation on two algebraic expressions. Okay, just look at this, say, expressions that I have written here. There is a parenthesis, and within the parenthesis you have an algebraic expression followed by a minus sign and then followed by the second algebraic expression within the parenthesis. Okay, you have to be very careful while you are removing the terms outside the parenthesis. Now what am I going to do? I am going to write the terms as it is, but I am going to remove the terms from the parenthesis. So the first expression, there is no complexity involved in it. You just remove it as it is. Okay, so I am going to remove it outside. So this is 2y cubed minus 4y plus 7y squared. Okay, only now you have to be very careful. While you are removing the second term, algebraic expression terms, you have to be very careful about how you are going to manipulate the signs of the terms. Okay, now also I will make it very easy for you. Just look at this. A minus is present outside, and this minus is common to all the terms present inside the parenthesis. Now what am I going to do is that I am just going to multiply this minus with the sign of the term that is present inside. What is the sign of 5? The sign of 5 is plus, and therefore minus into plus, you will be getting minus 5. Then minus into minus, you will be getting plus 2y. Minus into plus, you will have minus 5y cubed. So what did I do? I removed the terms present in the second equation from within the parenthesis and wrote it down. So while you are removing it, you need to multiply the signs and then write it down. Okay. Next, moving down, see, listen, I am showing you in a different manner. What is the first term present here? It is 2y cubed. Do you have any y cube term in this equation? Yes, you do have. What is it? It is minus 5. So you combine them together. So you get minus 5y cubed. Good, excellent. Then moving on to the next power, least power, which is nothing but y squared term. Search from the first. Do you have a y squared term? Yeah, I have a y squared term. It is 7y squared. Then search down. Do you have any other y squared term? No. That's it. Finish. Come back. Next, what will you search for? The y term. Do you have a y term? Yes, I have a y term. What is it? Minus 4y. After that, do the search once again till the end. What is? Do you have a y term? Yes, I have a y term here. Then I have finished with the y term. What is finally left? The finally left one is the constant. So what is left? You search from the first. You have minus 5 as a constant and search till the end. Do you have any more constants? No, that's it. Finished. So the arrangement is over and the combinations of the like terms is also completed. Now I have these two like terms side by side. Look at the sign. What is the sign here? It is positive sign and this is negative sign. So what is the rule? Plus and minus, they clash and they die and they fight. And what is the sign of the result? The sign of the result is minus y. 5 is larger than 2. And therefore what is the answer? You will be getting 3y cubed. Finished. That's it. Over. Moving on to the y squared term. There is only one single term. So just write that y squared term below. And moving to the right, you have two y terms. Look at the signs of the two y terms. What is the sign? It is opposite sign and therefore they fight and they clash. And what is the sign of the result? The sign of the result will be the sign of the largest numeral, which is nothing but 4. So sign is minus. So 4 and 2 clash together, you get 2y. And finally, you have only one constant, just write it down. This is the answer of performing a subtraction operation on two, say, algebraic expressions. This is a second method of how you can perform an subtraction operation.